Today, we're going to show you how to make your own scented lotion using Stephenson Aloe and Shea Lotion Base. Here's what we'll be using today. The Stephenson Aloe and Shea Lotion Base. Fragrance oil. I'll be using Yuzu Blossom, but you can use which fragrance you like. Gloves. Scale. A glass bowl. Funnel pouring pitcher. Spatula. Lotion bottles. A double boiler. You can use a hot plate or a stove. Thermometer. Here's some additional items you'll need. Before beginning, it's important to make sure your workspace is clean and your containers are sterilized. It's also best practice to wear gloves when making body care products. Start off by spraying the bottles and caps with rubbing alcohol and allowing them to fully dry. To save time, you can also do this step the day before. First, we're going to measure out the lotion base by weight. The bottle we're using here holds 297 grams. To measure that out, place a glass bowl or container on a scale and press tare to set the scale to 0. Carefully pour the lotion base into the bowl until the scale reaches 297 grams. A syringe can help you adjust the amount to get an accurate reading. Once you know how much base you'll be using, you can measure out your fragrance. We recommend using no more than a 0.5% fragrance load. Use this equation to calculate how much fragrance to add. The amount of base multiplied by the percentage of fragrance equals the amount of fragrance to use. For the bottle I'll be using, the equation looks like this. 297 grams times 0.005 equals 1.485 grams of fragrance oil. For simplicity, I'm going to round down to 1 gram. Place a glass or fragrance-safe container on your scale and press tare. Then measure out the fragrance. Now we're going to heat and mix everything together. Place the glass bowl with the lotion base on a double boiler and heat to around 100 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a thermometer to monitor the temperature. Once the temperature reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit, add your fragrance and stir. You can remove the bowl from the heat to make mixing easier. If the temperature drops too low, you can always place the bowl back on the double boiler to heat it back up. If you'll be stirring by hand, you can use a spatula. Mix for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes or until the fragrance is fully incorporated. To make this step easier, you can also use a standing mixer. This can help cut down on time and it's great for working with larger batches. If you'll be using a colorant like cosmetic dye or mica, you can add that here as well. Now that your scented lotion is ready to use, it's time to bottle it up. Transfer the mixture from the bowl to a funnel pouring pitcher. If you'll be labeling your products, you are required to list the fluid ounces and milliliters on the label. So take note of the fluid measurements here by looking on the side of the pitcher. You can pour directly from the funnel pouring pitcher, but you could also use an additional funnel or syringe if you'd like. Pour the mixture into the bottle until it's full to the fill line. Then tightly secure the cap. And that's it! Your scented lotion is ready to use. Whether you're treating yourself, gifting, or expanding your product line, custom lotion is a perfect way to showcase your signature fragrances in a new form.